Have you ever thought that right inside your little kitchen lies a natural miracle powder that can keep your body healthy, your skin glowing, and your home fresh and clean? That simple white powder is baking soda, something most of us only think of as a baking ingredient. Yet it holds far more power than that. Around the world, millions of people have started using baking soda daily for cleaning, beauty care, and health support. However, very few truly understand its full potential. When used correctly, you'll be amazed that this tiny jar of powder can replace dozens of chemical products in your home, while staying completely safe and natural. In today's video, I'll share with you *** 11 natural and most effective uses of baking soda **. From skincare, teeth whitening, and odor removal to practical household applications. At the end of the video, I'll also mention important precautions so you can use baking soda properly without harming your body. If you love natural and healthy living tips, please subscribe to *Song Komwa Enge, Live Healthy Every Day, **, and leave a comment telling us where you're watching from, so we can continue spreading a lifestyle of wellness and peace together. First, let's talk about what baking soda really is, and why people often call it **, the magic powder of every home, **. In fact, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate is a naturally occurring mineral salt with mild alkalinity. This property allows it to soothe the skin, eliminate odors, cleanse surfaces, and neutralize acidity in a safe, natural way. Simply put, with just one small jar of baking soda, you can replace a dozen expensive beauty and cleaning products, saving money, protecting your health, and being kind to the environment. No harsh chemicals, no complicated steps. Just proper understanding and the right use. Baking soda can become your trusted friend, helping you care for your body, enhance your beauty, and keep your kitchen fresh and spotless every single day. Cherry blossom first, natural teeth whitening, a bright, healthy smile. You might be surprised, but with just a small pinch of baking soda, you can noticeably brighten your teeth. Baking soda has a mild alkaline property and natural cleansing ability that helps remove plaque and yellow stains caused by coffee, tea, or tobacco. By mixing a bit of baking soda with your regular toothpaste and brushing gently for about 2 minutes, you'll notice the difference after the very first use. Not only does it make your teeth whiter, but it also helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing bacteria that cause bad breath and tooth decay. Many dentists around the world agree that toothpaste containing baking soda cleans teeth more effectively than regular ones, thanks to its gentle yet powerful polishing action. However, you should only use this method 2 to 3 times per week. And always use a soft bristled brush to avoid wearing down enamel. With consistent care, your smile will become brighter, and your breath fresher, without the need for expensive whitening treatments. Second, natural body deodorant, stay fresh all day. One of the lesser-known benefits of baking soda is its impressive ability to neutralize body odor. If you've ever been hesitant to use scented or chemical deodorants, baking soda is a safe and natural alternative. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of coconut oil or water. Stir well until dissolved, and gently apply under your arms after a clean shower. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in sweat, the main cause of unpleasant odor, while absorbing excess moisture to keep your skin dry and fresh. Moreover, its mild alkalinity helps prevent bacterial growth, meaning body odor can almost completely disappear after just a few uses. For those with sensitive skin, you can add a little cornstarch or jojoba oil to make the mixture gentler. Over time, not only will body odor reduce significantly, but the skin under your arms will also become smoother and lighter. Since baking soda gently exfoliates dead skin cells, This simple method keeps you feeling confident all day long, no harsh chemicals needed. Herb. Third, soften rough hands and feet. After a long day of work or walking, our hands and feet often become dry, cracked, and rough. Instead of spending money at a spa, you can use baking soda right at home for excellent results. Simply dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your hands or feet for about 15 minutes. The mild alkalinity of baking soda helps soften calloused skin, remove dead cells, neutralize odor, and soothe rough, hardened areas. After soaking, dry your skin and apply a bit of coconut oil or moisturizer You'll immediately feel your skin become softer and lighter. If you maintain this habit 3 times a week, your hands will gradually become smoother and brighter. Your heels will be less cracked, and the tired, heavy feeling in your feet will noticeably decrease. This is one of the most natural and affordable beauty tips that many elderly people in Japan and Korea still use daily. Fourth, cleanse the face and prevent mild acne. Every day, our skin is exposed to dust, excess oil, and impurities that can clog pores and cause acne. Instead of using harsh facial cleansers, try a gentler, natural method with baking soda. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of clean water. Stir until it forms a smooth paste, and gently apply it to your skin for about 1 minute. The mild alkalinity of baking soda helps dissolve excess oil, deeply clean pores, and gently remove dead skin cells on the surface. Then rinse with cool water and apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin soft and balanced. If used regularly twice a week, your complexion will become clearer, less oily, and blackheads or whiteheads will be significantly reduced. Baking soda also helps soothe mild inflammation, supporting faster recovery after acne breakouts. However, be careful not to use it daily, as facial skin is thin and sensitive. Use it only a few times per week and always pair with a good moisturizer to maintain balance and hydration. Simple, natural, yet truly effective. That's the kind of beauty secret nature gives us. Fifth, full body exfoliation for smoother, brighter skin. Over time, our skin accumulates dirt and dead cells, making it look dull and dry. Instead of buying expensive scrubs or body polishes, you only need one simple ingredient: baking soda. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of honey or olive oil to create a smooth paste. While showering, gently massage this mixture onto your skin, especially elbows, knees, and neck, areas prone to dryness or darkening. Baking soda helps remove dead cells, while honey and olive oil provide deep moisture, leaving your skin soft and naturally radiant. After bathing, dry your skin and apply a bit of lotion or coconut oil. You'll feel your skin smooth and refreshed, as if you've just had a spa treatment. If done 2 to 3 times a week, your skin will become noticeably brighter, more even-toned, and healthier within weeks. The best part? This method contains no chemicals, causes no irritation, and suits all skin types, even sensitive skin. It's a simple yet rejuvenating self-care ritual anyone can enjoy right at home. Herb. ***6. Deodorize shoes and closets. Keep everything dry and fresh. Beyond beauty care, baking soda is also a powerful helper to keep your home smelling clean and fresh. You've probably noticed how shoes can get damp and smelly after long wear, or how clothes stored in a closed closet develop a musty odor. Don't worry, a little baking soda can solve all that effortlessly. Here's how. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of baking soda inside each shoe and leave it overnight. In the morning, just shake out the powder. Baking soda absorbs both odor and moisture, leaving your shoes dry, fresh, and clean. No need for perfumes or deodorant sprays. For your closet, simply place *1 spoonful of baking soda inside a small cloth bag and put it in the corner. It will naturally absorb humidity, eliminate moldy smells, and keep the air inside light and pleasant. If you'd like a gentle fragrance, add a few drops of essential oils such as orange, lemon, or lavender. This simple touch makes clothes smell fresh and calming, all without chemicals. With just this small trick, your living space feels cleaner and more refreshing, and every time you open your closet or put on your shoes, you'll feel relaxed and comfortable. *7. Clean, light, and naturally voluminous hair. Dear friends, besides caring for your skin, your hair also plays a big role in your confidence and youthfulness. But after a day under the sun or in dust and pollution, hair can become oily, flat, and heavy. That's when baking soda becomes your secret savior. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into your daily shampoo. Stir well, and wash as usual. Baking soda helps remove excess oil, dirt, and leftover residue from hairspray, conditioner, or dye, giving your scalp a light, clean feeling. It also helps balance the scalp's pH level, keeping your hair fluffy and fresh longer. After washing, apply a natural conditioner such as coconut or olive oil to keep it smooth and soft. If your hair is dry or weak, use this method only once a week to avoid dryness. After a few washes, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, lighter, and silkier, and your scalp cleaner and more comfortable. This is a simple beauty secret that many Western models and stylists swear by, as it keeps hair healthy and shiny, without the high cost of salon products. *8. Whiten nails and clean finger creases. Keep your hands elegant. Our hands reveal not just our age but also our lifestyle. That's why taking care of them is just as important as caring for your face or hair. If your nails are yellow or dull due to frequent polish or detergent exposure, try baking soda for a natural cleaning and brightening effect. Mix *1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice. Stir well, then gently scrub your nails with a soft brush for a few minutes. This blend helps fade yellow stains, exfoliate dead skin around the nails, and remove odor-causing bacteria effectively. If you don't have lemon, simply soak your nails in warm water with 2 teaspoons of baking soda for about 10 minutes. It works just as well. Do this a few times per week, and your nails will gradually become whiter, the creases cleaner, and your hands softer. This method is especially useful for those who cook, wash dishes, or work with cleaning products often. With just a little baking soda, your hands will always look clean, elegant, and naturally healthy. *9. Clean beauty tools. Safe disinfection for makeup brushes. Dear friends, many people don't realize that everyday items like makeup brushes, combs, hairbrushes, and manicure tools can easily collect dust, oil, and bacteria. If they're not cleaned regularly, these can become the main cause of acne or skin irritation. Luckily, with just a bit of baking soda, you can refresh all your beauty tools quickly and safely. Here's how. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a bowl of warm water and soak your makeup brushes, combs, or hairbrushes for about 20 minutes. Baking soda's mild alkalinity helps remove oil, dirt, and bacteria without damaging bristles or plastic parts. After soaking, rinse thoroughly with clean water and let them air dry in a well-ventilated place. Regular cleaning will keep your tools fresh, lightly scented, and lasting much longer. Best of all, this method uses no harsh chemicals. It's safe even for sensitive skin. Just a few minutes each week will ensure all your beauty tools stay clean and bacteria-free. Keeping your skin healthy every day. ****10. Clean your kitchenware, natural shine without chemicals. Beyond skincare, baking soda is also your kitchen's best friend. You'll be amazed at how this humble white powder can replace most chemical cleaners, making everything spotless while staying gentle on your hands and safe for your health. When your stovetop, cups, or dishes get greasy or stained, simply sprinkle a bit of baking soda on a damp sponge and wipe gently. Grease and grime disappear within seconds. For coffee cup or teapot stains, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with warm water. Soak overnight, and rinse the next morning. Your cups will shine like new without a single drop of chemical cleaner. Baking soda also works wonders to deodorize your fridge, clean cutting boards, and refresh dishes. Just dilute it with water and wipe surfaces. Your kitchen will smell fresh and stay spotless, all while keeping your hands safe. That's why in many countries, people call baking soda ***, the safest natural cleaner in the world. ****11. Freshen your hair, safe natural dry shampoo. Have you ever come home after a long day? Your hair oily, dusty, and slightly smelly, but no time to wash it? Don't worry, baking soda ** can act as a ** natural dry shampoo, ** that's quick, effective, and gentle on both scalp and hair. Here's how. Take * 1 small teaspoon of baking soda. Sprinkle it evenly on your scalp, especially on oily roots. Massage gently with your fingertips. Wait a few minutes, and brush your hair as usual. In no time, baking soda will absorb excess oil and odors, leaving your hair dry, clean, and fresh instantly. For a pleasant fragrance, mix in a few drops of lavender or peppermint essential oil before applying. It not only keeps your hair smelling good but also helps you feel calm and relaxed all day. This tip is very popular in Western countries, where people value natural and minimalist self-care. Just a pinch of baking soda can rescue your hair anytime, anywhere, no water or shampoo needed. Important notes on safe use. Dear friends, while baking soda is gentle and has dozens of amazing benefits, misuse or overuse can cause unwanted effects. First, don't apply baking soda directly to your skin too often. Its alkalinity can strip natural moisture, leading to dryness or mild irritation if used daily. It's best to use it 2 to 3 times a week on skin or teeth. And always rinse with cool water afterward. Second, those with sensitive or inflamed skin, or open wounds, should avoid direct application to prevent irritation. If you want to test it, try it on a small area first. Additionally, pregnant women, young children, and people with kidney issues should not drink or ingest baking soda in large amounts, as it may affect electrolyte balance in the body. Always seek medical or nutritional advice before using it internally. Remember, even natural ingredients should be used with care. Safety always comes first. When used correctly and moderately, baking soda gives you all its benefits without side effects. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel to discover more simple, effective ways to stay healthy, beautiful, and peaceful every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Herb.